Hello dear viewers, I am going to demonstrate how to share a file over internet to the public. You can share or download a file from a public URL accessible everywhere on internet. We will not require Google Drive, Dropbox or other services which provide download facility and storage. We will use our existing PC which may have some disk capacity. Your file on a PC at a physical location can be shared on the internet without creating another copy or online storage. So in order to share a file, we will need to download a web server. We will download and install a web server. I will go with Apache. To install Apache, I will use XAMPP installer from this link. Download an appropriate version of XAMPP for your OS. Once you have downloaded XAMPP, start the installer. The installer will show you many options and checkboxes. You have to uncheck everything other than Apache and PHP. Apache and PHP will be installed default. If you are convenient with this, proceed with installation. So now, once Apache is installed, you will get a control panel similar to this. You will get a controller similar to this. Whenever we make changes, we have to restart Apache. Here we will make changes to the httpd.conf file. We will go to config on control panel. The first option is Apache httpd.conf. We open this file and simply add one line. Alias testapache and the physical path. Here testapache is the relative path and this test download Apache is the physical path of my folder, which contains index.html and testdocument.txt. I have created a sample testdocument.txt file. It contains this text: "Hi, this is a test." In our example, we will download this test document. For that, I have created an index.html which provides the download link. In the anchor tag, I have written this line: ahref testdocument.txt download test document. Now this will create a link for download. Now once this download link is created and our changes to httpd.conf have been saved, so we can start Apache or restart Apache. Now Apache has been started, so our file can be served locally. For that, we'll go to localhost test Apache / and by accessing this in the browser, we are opening the index.html and this link is accessible from the index.html. It will, on click of this link, we will get a prompt to save this file from the web server. Here this dialog box has popped up, so we can save the file to the web server, to the local physical path. This link opens a dialog offering us to save the file on our PC from the web server. Once this is done, we will think about sharing this link on the internet, how localhost can be converted to a public link which can be accessed over internet. So for this I will use ngrok, which I have already downloaded, and we are in the directory of ngrok. I will type the command ngrok http 80. Because my server runs on port 80, I have used 80 in the command. After executing the command, I got this link which results to localhost 80. So I will open this link and attach the relative path testapache /. Here if I click enter, press enter and get the same download link as localhost, and again if I click on this, it will prompt me to save file on my PC locally from the web server. So our demonstration to download file and share a link has been done. You can also share very large file in size. It may be 10 GB, 15 GB or 20 GB or more, or you can even share smaller files with this method. It does not require to use other services to share your link. This ngrok link is temporary and it is sufficient for us to download a file, a temporary method to download a file. We cannot make this link permanent. For further details of ngrok, you may refer other tutorials, but for our requirement this is enough to demonstrate that we can share a file on the internet using this link. And we are successful in opening this test document over the internet. Thank you.